So again we are in chapter reflection for class 10. We are going to deal some sums. First question is, when P56 is reflected in a line L, then its image is P dash 5 minus 2. So we have to find the equation for this line L. We have to find the equation of the line L. So we'll see solution. So P is 5, 6. When reflected in L, then its coordinate is this much. As you know, when reflection of P is done in x-axis, then P dash x value remains the same and sign of y changes. So if we compare this to what we are finding, 5 is same, but here is 6, here is minus 2. So this line cannot be parallel to x-axis. So this line is not representing x-axis. Line will be parallel to x-axis. So in that case, I have told that if Pxy is reflected in a line which is parallel to x-axis, then P dash is how much? X and minus y plus 2a. So we can say that P56 is equal to P dash how much? 5 repeated, and this is 6. So it means that this one 5 will represent this x. If it is x, so it is 5. 5 is same, and this 6 has become how much? Minus 2. This has become minus. So it means this minus 2 will be equal to this one. So we can say that minus y plus 2a, that is equal to minus 2. Y value is what? This is y value. This is y value is how much? 5. From here, y value is how much? 6. Sorry, y is 6. So we put minus 6 plus 2a, that is equal to minus 2. 2a will be here, it will be minus 2 plus 6. So 2a will come out as 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. So value of a will be how much? 2. Since this line is parallel to x-axis, so its equation will be how much? Y is equal to a. So equation of line L will be y is equal to a or y is equal to 2, and this will be your answer. Second question is, you have to use graph paper and you have to find image. Image of what? P. P is a method Q. किस लाइन में? In line x is equal to 3. In the line x is equal to 3. So I have plotted x axis and y axis. This is x x dash. This is y y dash. So first we'll plot 6 2. So 6 2 will be here. This is 6 2. It is 6 2, and it's a reflection we have to see in a line x is equal to 3. So this line will be parallel to x y axis. This is x is equal to 3. So this line will be like this. Equation of line is x is equal to 3. So we'll draw perpendicular from here like this. Position of image will start counting. Unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 units. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 it will reach here. So this will be the position of image of P. So P dash will be located by this point. P dash will be how much? Coordinate x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is how much? 2. Now second point is Q. So Q is minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 here and minus 2 here. So this is the point. And its reflection we have to see. This is Q. Its coordinate is minus 1 and minus 2. So from here we will start counting the distance. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. So we'll proceed 4 unit further. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. So this will be the point which will locate the image of Q, that is equal to Q dash, and its coordinate will be how much? X value is 7 and y value will be how much? Minus 2. So this way we are locating the coordinate of points with respect of a line which is parallel to x-axis. So at last you will write coordinate of P dash will be how much? Coordinate of P dash will be 0 and 2, and coordinate of Q dash will be how much? 7 and -2, and your answer has come out. We are in question number 3. A point P is there and it is to be reflected as P dash under reflection in x-axis. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So we have to see reflection of P 5 minus 4. So this is P 5 minus 4. Its reflection we have to see in x-axis. So you know that reflection of P 5 minus 4 in x-axis will be P dash. How much? 5 will become 5 and 4 will minus 4 will become plus 4. So its location will be how much? This is P dash. 5 and 4. So coordinate of P come to know, that is 5 and 4. Now what is written next line? A dash is the reflection of A 2 0. So first flip it, A 2 0. This is A. Its coordinate is 2 0. And its reflection we have to see in PP dash. This line we have to use at mirror. So from here 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 3 unit. So 3 unit more will go because object distance is equal to image distance. So 1, 2, 3. So this will be the position of image of A, that is equal to 2 0. So this will locate A dash. So A dash coordinate will be how much? 8 and 0. So from here we got the solution. P dash is how much? P dash is 5 and 4. And A dash is how much? 8 and 0. 8 and 0. Now second part of question is you have to find length of segment PP dash. This is PP dash and its length we have to find out. So this is 4 unit and this is 4 units. So 4 unit plus 4 unit, 8 units. So PP dash is equal to how much? 8 units. You have to measure length of how much? A dash. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 units. So A dash will be how much? 6 units. Now next is you have to find perimeter of quadrilateral P dash A. So this is P, this is A, this is P dash and this is A dash. So we have to find out perimeter. So find that this line is perpendicular. So this is behaving as perpendicular and this is at base. So this will behave as what? Hypotenuse. So we'll try to find out either the length of PA or P dash A or P dash A dash or PA. All the cases it will come out as same. So what will happen? PA or P dash A or PA dash, PA dash, PA dash or P dash A dash is same. This figure is a rhombus. So any of the side we are trying to calculate. So in this triangle, if we try to find out the length of P dash A, so P dash A will be as per Pythagoras formula, this square plus this square. So it will be how much? This length is 4, this length is 3. So this is 4 square plus 3 square and it will come out as root over 16 plus 9, that is equal to root over 25. So length of P dash A has come out as how much? 5 units. Hence perimeter of PA, P dash A dash will equal to 4 into side, that is equal to 4 into P dash A, that is equal to 4 into how much? 5 units. And your answer will come out as 20 units. So we can say that perimeter of quadrilateral PA, P dash A dash is equal to 20 units. This will be your answer.